Lions. You may have heard lions are the kings of the jungle. Well, actually, lions don't live in the jungle at all. Lions roam on grassy plains and woodlands in Africa and Asia. They are the second biggest of the big cats. Only tigers are slightly larger. Unlike other big cats, lions live in large social groups called prides. Female lions are called lionesses. There are lots of lionesses in a pride. Male lions are very large and easy to spot. They have a big, distinctive, hairy mane. Baby lions are called cubs. Lions are predators, which means they hunt and eat other animals. This makes them carnivores because they eat meat. Lionesses are much better at hunting than male lions. They do most of the hunting for the pride. After a successful hunt, the lions sit around enjoying their meal together. The lioness fiercely protects her food. I hope you have more manners at the dinner table. After a big meal, there's nothing better than a loud roar. Can you roar like a lion? Wow, what a great roar! Click on the videos above to see more amazing animals. And be sure to subscribe.